Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a powerful guide on how to build business credit quickly and effectively. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a powerful guide on how to build business credit quickly and effectively. Building business credit fast isn't just about applying for a credit card. It's a strategic process that involves multiple steps designed to establish strong financial credibility for your business. Step 1 is to set up your business properly. This means registering your business according to your local and state requirements. Obtain a Federal Employer Identification Number, or EIN, from the IRS. This number is essential, as it allows your business to be recognized as a separate legal entity. Step 2. Open a business bank account. Use your EIN to open a dedicated business checking account. Keeping your business finances separate from personal accounts helps build legitimacy and makes managing your transactions easier. Step 3. Establish trade lines with vendors who report payments to credit bureaus. Start by working with suppliers or vendors that extend credit terms to your business. Pay them on time or early to start building a positive payment history. Step 4. Apply for a business credit card targeted at new businesses. These cards may have lower limits but help build your credit profile. Make sure to maintain low balances and pay off in full each month to avoid interest charges and show good credit management. Step 5. Get your business listed with business credit reporting agencies such as Dun & Bradstreet, Equifax Business, and Experian Business. You might need to apply for a DUNS number from Dun & Bradstreet. This is crucial because most lenders and suppliers check these reports before approving credit. Step 6. Monitor your business credit reports regularly. Check for any inaccuracies and dispute them promptly. A clean and accurate credit report will improve your chances of getting better credit terms in the future. Step 7. Consider small loans or financing options that report to business credit bureaus. Even modest loans paid on time can boost your credit profile and help you qualify for higher credit limits and better terms over time. Remember, building business credit fast is a marathon, not a sprint. But by following these proven steps, you can accelerate your progress and get the financial credibility your business needs to grow. Don't forget to maintain good financial habits such as timely payments and responsible credit use throughout the process.